Hello students, today we will discuss about 7 steps around the FIRE's explanations. Okay. Next, it is a newspaper. I can always find out the picture. That is not what Salim was after, and you know that you are pretending this news. Cutting is important when it is not. I know how devilishly clever you कैन बी। ये एक्ट फर्स्ट से लिया गया है। ओके, इसका रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट है एज अबव उमा हैज ब्रॉट द मनी फ्रॉम हर फादर फॉर द वेल ऑफ अनारकली एंड दैट शी विल गिव इट टू चंपा। शी टेल्स अ लाई टू सुरेश दैट शी नीड्स it for purchasing a present for the wedding of Mr. Sharma's son. When she is still talking with Champa in great details, Salim reaches there and asks for some photograph. When he comes to know about Uma, he at once slips away and Uma wishes to see the box of Kamla because the picture which Salim was asking for must be important. Uma takes out a newspaper cutting, but Champa snatches it and tears it to pieces quickly. Okay, इसकी explanation है Uma had just seen the photograph in the newspaper and asked Champa that Salim is not seen in it, but when Champa tears the picture of the newspaper, she at once realizes that Champa is trying to misguide her and is befooling her. She tells her that she has the capacity to realize the importance of things and see quickly what there was in that picture. There was nothing important in it, but it was simply an ordinary paper cutting. She tells Champa not to try to deceive her and that Salim actually did not want that picture in any way. Champa also knows this fact very well. Rather, she is making a show as if that paper was something very important. She fearlessly says that she has known that Champa is trying to look more clever than she really is. Okay. Here we see the extraordinary intelligence of Uma and her power of realizing the truth. She is courageous enough to scold Champa in her own home. उमा कमला के कमरे में पहुंचती है और चंपा कमला की टीन के बक्से का ताला खोलती है। वह उमा को एक परिवार का फ़ोटो दिखाती है और बताती है कि कमला के हिजड़ा बनने से पहले उसके माता पिता थे, परंतु बाद में केवल वही उसकी माता पिता थी। उमा को ये जानकर आश्चर्य होता है कि बक्से में ऐसा कोई फ़ोटो नहीं है जिसमें सलीम उपस्थित हो। वह एक अखबार का काटा हुआ टुकड़ा देखती है, परंतु चंपा उसे जल्दी से छीनकर टुकड़े कर देती है कि ये बिल्कुल बेकार है। परंतु उमा इस वास्तविकता को पहचान लेती है कि चंपा वास्तव में उसे मूर्ख बना रही थी। ये दिखाना चाहती थी कि ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण था, जबकि उसमें कुछ भी नहीं था। वह चंपा से पूछती कि उसे सलीम का वहाँ आना प्राय कमला को अपने साथ बाहर ले जाना पसंद नहीं था, क्योंकि उसे डर था कि वह उसके साथ भाग जाएगी। चंपा इस बात से सहमत है क्योंकि सलीम के साथ अपने हिजड़ों की दुनिया के बाहर कमला कभी खुश नहीं रह सकती। शायद यही कारण था कि दूसरों को सचेत करने के लिए वह वहाँ से ना भागे, उसने उसे मार दिया। उमा कहती है कि अनारकली कभी भी कमला को नहीं मार सकती थी, क्योंकि उसके वहाँ से भाग जाने के बाद वह स्वयं गुरु बन गई होती। इस स्थिति में केवल चंपा पर ही संदेह है, क्योंकि कमला ने उसकी आज्ञा नहीं मानी थी। चंपा कमला को अपनी बेटी कहती है और जब उमा उस पर हत्या का दोष लगाती है तो वह नाराज़ हो जाती है और उससे अपना सारा पैसा लेकर बाहर निकल जाने के लिए कहती है। वह बार बार ये कहती है कि किसी को ये पता नहीं है कि वह कमला को कितना प्यार करती थी, अपनी बेटी से भी अधिक। वह मैगजीन के से एक फ़ोटो निकालती है और कमला को तस्वीर दिखाती है। ओके, Next, Anarkali could not have killed her. Kamla was running away. Anyway, leaving the way clear for her. Oh no, one person who wanted her dead is yourself. She deceived your authority. ओके ये भी एक्ट फर्स्ट से लिया गया है. इसका रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट है एज अबव. उमा इज क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग चंपा रिगार्डिंग द मर्डर ऑफ कमला and is making every effort to know with Salim, and she did not like it because she thought that Hijra is the happy in his own world. And not in the outside world. Uma now conclude that it means Champa can also be suspected of murdering Kamla. Okay. इसकी explanation है. Uma says that it is just probable that Champa killed Kamla because she was planning to run away. There are two reasons of this suspicions. The one that if Kamla goes, they would lose a source of earning because she was very beautiful. The other was her murder. She wants that if any other hero have tries to run away, future she will also have the same fate. Uma's argument is that Anarkali could never kill Kamla because if Kamla ran away, her way to become head will be automatically clear and there will be no more obstacle that condition. There is only one person on whom lies the suspicion is Champa because perhaps Kamla had the courage to disobey the and authority. Okay, Uma here is going deep in her investigation of this case like an express detective, and thus these dialogues throw light on her character. Next, maybe who knows if the runs away to another town. Who can trace these people? Anyway, we only arrested her because there was no one else. There is no real proof against her these hijras. Okay. इसका रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट है एज अबव. आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट डिस्कशन सुरेश लीव्स द चॉइस ऑफ द जैन फॉर वेडिंग of Mr. Sharma, son of Uma. When Suresh asks her about her thesis, she tells him that she would like to have some more time with Anarkali, but Suresh tells her that it is not possible because she is not under their custody now and has been released on bail. One old hijra had come, found her jewelry and touched her out. But Suresh tells her that now it is not possible because she is not under their custody now and has been released on bail. And one old hijra had come, found her jewelry and took her out. Okay. इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन है. This information creates great confusion and anxiety in Uma. She asks him that she can meet Anarkali when she will come report to the police. But even this is not possible, Suresh discloses the fact about the Hijras community that it is almost impossible to trace them. She must have run out of the city and nobody can have any information of their whereabouts. He tells her one more shocking news that the poor has arrested Anarkali merely on suspicion. They have not a single proof against her. Okay. So they could not keep her in their custody for a long period. These hijras are peculiar people and nothing can be said about them. Okay. This dialogues of Suresh is satire on the working of the poor department in spite of having no proof against Anarkali. They have arrested her only because there was nobody and the poor innocent Anarkali. They have arrested her only because there was nobody else and the poor innocent Anarkali has to suffer a lot in jail.